Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the sound and vibration setting of your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to turn on or off vibration or sound of your device Infinix Hot 20, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can turn on or off vibration or sound of your device.